Hey everyone! Today we're going to learn how to build a Gantt chart system in Notion, which is perfect for managing projects, tracking deadlines, and visualizing team workflows. Gantt charts are essential because they help you see tasks, dependencies, timelines, and progress all in one place, making project planning much easier. First, create a Notion account and open your workspace. Then, start by creating a database to organize all your tasks. From a new page, select Table. Then, choose Database. This table will hold all your tasks, deadlines, statuses, and other important details. After your table's ready, switch the view to Timeline. This converts your database into a Gantt chart, showing tasks along a timeline. You can zoom out to get a high-level overview of the project, or zoom in to see individual tasks, their progress, and their dependencies. You can also update tasks directly from this view, like changing due dates or marking tasks complete. Sharing your Gantt chart is simple. Invite team members or stakeholders to your Notion workspace so everyone can track progress and stay aligned on deadlines. This setup not only helps you prevent bottlenecks, but also allows you to adjust your project plan dynamically as priorities change. Finally, you can use filters and sorting to focus on specific sprints, team members, or priority tasks, which makes the Gantt chart interactive and flexible for different project management needs. Start creating your Gantt chart in Notion today to improve your workflow and keep your projects organized and on track. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more Notion tips and productivity tutorials.